Everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to block ads on your Android mobile on Google Chrome. First thing first, launch the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap Site Settings from the list of options. And under the Content section, tap Pop-ups and Redirects. Turn on the toggle to block pop-ups and unwanted redirects. Now go back to the Site Settings page, then tap Intrusive Ads. Turn off the toggle to prevent misleading or disruptive ads, and Chrome Mobile doesn't allow ad blocker extensions. If you want an ad-free browsing experience, try one of these alternatives like Samsung Internet, which supports ad blocker add-ons, and Firefox for Android, which lets you install ad blocker extensions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.